Hello everyone. Today's our topic is about responsibilities at home. Responsibilities at home. 喺屋企咧，你會咧點樣幫手㗎？我哋喺屋企咧有好多家務要做喎。咁其實我哋喺屋企都要做好多唔同嘅義務㗎噃。Responsibilities at home。好啦，我哋睇下我哋喺屋企會做啲咩嘢先。The first one, sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. 掃地，我哋咧會見到紅色嘅字喎，sweep 呢個係一個動詞嚟嘅 a verb，即係代表掃咁解。而後邊咧就會有個名詞喎，叫 the floor，即係地下。所以 sweep the floor 即係代表掃地，掃地。我跟住咧第二幅圖咯喎，vacuum the carpet，vacuum the carpet。vacuum 係一個動詞嚟嘅 a verb，即係咧真空吸嘅意思。The carpet 即係呢一張地氈喎，咁我哋咧就會利用到吸塵機吸地氈 vacuum the carpet，vacuum the carpet。同學有冇做咧？我相信同學咧一啲簡單嘅家務都會喺屋企試下幫手嘅喎。好，第三樣 set the table。set the table。咁我相信同學喺屋企咧都會食飯嘅喎。咁同學有冇喺食飯前幫手擺台啊、擺碗擺碟啊等等咧？set the table。set the table。好，咁另外咧同學咧都可能咧會幫手試下 wash the dishes。wash the dishes。wash 即係洗 ，the dishes 即係咧一啲碟啦。係啦，碗碟啊咁啦 ，dishes 即係代表洗碗 ，wash the dishes。同學有冇試下做啊？如果冇咧，我都建議同學試下喎。嗱，我諗呢一樣咧，同學都應該要試下做嘅。咁同學瞓醒覺之後咧，我哋都會試下 make the bed，make the bed，make the bed，執床喎，將我哋嘅被鋪啦，將我哋嘅枕頭啦整理翻好喎 ，make the bed。咁另外咧，我哋咧都可以試下 fold the clothes，fold the clothes。嗱，咁咧我相信屋企人咧都會洗衫啦、晾衫啦。咁原來仲有一步喎，就係摺衫 ，fold 即係代表摺嘅意思。fold the clothes 即係咧我哋會將啲衫摺翻整齊，然後擺翻我哋嘅櫃桶又或者衣櫃裏邊喎。嗱，同學玩完玩具呢樣嘢咧，應該都要做喎。Tidy up the room，tidy up the room。tidy up 係一個片語，係句 phrase，即係代表咧我哋要執實咁解。Tidy up the room，即係咧我哋要執實好我哋間房。同學有冇做啊？好，跟住咧我哋又睇下咯，下一個啦，第8個 number 8，water the plants，water the plants。water the plants，即係咧淋花。有啲同學屋企咧會有植物個噃，可能咧都需要同學幫手去幫屋企人做淋花。最後啦，我哋咧有一句叫 walk the dog，walk the dog。the dog 咧即係我哋喺圖片所見到啦，係一隻狗喎，係一隻狗嚟嘅。walk the dog 即係咧同佢一齊去散步喎。我相信有動物嘅有寵物喺屋企嘅同學咧，都可以嘗試下同你哋嘅寵物喺公園啦，喺一啲唔同嘅環境散下步喎。同學唔知有冇做咧？呢度有9種唔同嘅家務啦，或者一啲嘅任務咧，都需要同學可以幫手個噃。好啦，咁我哋咧又試下練習下我哋一啲嘅對話咯。How do you help at home? How do you help at home? 第一句 How do you help at home? I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. 係啦，咁如果人哋問你你有冇喺屋企做？你會點樣喺屋企幫手做㗎？做啲乜嘢家務啊？咁你就可以咁答喎。I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. How do you help at home? I vacuum the carpet. I vacuum the carpet. How do you help at home? I set the table. I set the table. How do you help at home? I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. How do you help at home? I make the bed. I make the bed. How do you help at home? I fold the clothes. I fold the clothes. How do you help at home? I tidy up the room. I tidy up the room. How do you help at home? I water the plants. I water the plants. How do you help at home? How do you help at home? I walk the dog. I walk the dog. 咁同學咧喺屋企都可以練習下呢一啲嘅對話喎，到時咧人哋有問題問你咧，你都可以答得到人哋噃。啦，咁跟住咧就會有一啲唔同嘅練習啦，同學都需要做喎。啦，咁咧同學可以咧試下點樣做啦。咁然後咧就可以咧對下同屋企人對下答案啱唔啱啦。That's the end of the semester 2. Responsibilities at home. Responsibilities at home. Bye bye.